Do you like that Canatrol?
I love it. I mean, it definitely has its downsides, but for the most part, I absolutely love it. I've said it a couple different times to my audience where it's like I've actually had to harvest and then go on vacation. So I harvest and then come back, long weekend vacation or even a week long, come back and everything's dried, good to go, ready to smoke.
So it's like,
Press the start button and then it'll automatically do the temperature and dew point, which you can kind of translate it also says the humidity as well for those that go by humidity, temperature, humidity, and then it keeps it like that stable. And then it'll automatically switch it over to different conditions if you want for the curing stage. So you can actually
Oh.
you can set your drying stage however long you want it, whatever temperature you want it, and then the curing stage. And they also have a storage stage too that you can flip over to. So you can really have it automatically go to 3 different settings if you'd like. Yeah, I've been pretty vocal in regards to the downsides. I hope they go and take some of this feedback and improve this. But a couple different downsides is the size. It's very small. I have to scatter harvests now. So like I'll harvest a plant, a couple days later, I'll be able to harvest another plant because I'll kind of be able to consolidate branches up to the topper shelves as things kind of condense down. And then I'll be able to harvest my second plant, and so on and so forth. So I scatter harvest now. I also don't like how there's like, in order to kind of maintain the humidity, they have like a sponge in there. It's a wet sponge. Oh, you wet the sponge. When the sponge dries out, it says it on the machine there, but like you get no other notification. Like it's not connected to your iPhone or anything. There's no alarm system. So like you can totally just completely ruin harvests from over drying if you're not looking at that screen every single day. So and kind of keeping an eye on that. There is a back spot in the back was like a drip pan. So like during the drying phase, it'll drip out some of that moisture level into the pan. That can overflow. I haven't had that happen, but you have to monitor it. It's one of the things you have to monitor.
Yeah.
And then one final downside I can think of is the price. Price is just outrageous. $1,600 for this device. It's like out of control. And so I hope that they're able to make some improvements and able to, improve their operations over there to where they can bring down the price, because right now it's just out of a lot of people's budget. I agree. But I do think this technology is the future.